Hello everyone, welcome back in class Extension English Nurse at STIKIM. Before I begin, I want to introduce myself. My name is Denis Tiadi.
I'm from Group 3, and my friend, Mrs. Carlia Stuti. Hello, Mrs. Carlia Stuti.
Hello, Mr. Denny.
Mrs. Husnul Nugrahini. Hello, Mrs. Husnul.
Hi.
Next, Mr. Rosda Putrajaya. Hello, Mr. Rosda.
Hi.
And Mrs. Siti Wijayani. Hello, Mrs. Siti.
Hi.
The first, we want to say thank you for our lecturer, Mr. Johannes Blatan. The last group have explained about verbal and nominal sentence, present progressive, adverb of, and present perfect tense. And now, our group to explain about preposition and present perfect progressive.
Do you know about it material? I think you're familiar about it. Okay, let's we study together. Keep on watching. Our learning agenda today is what is preposition and present perfect progressive, formula from preposition and present perfect progressive, and example and sentence of preposition and present perfect progressive. Jadi pada pertemuan kali ini kita akan membahas tentang apa itu preposition and present perfect progressive dan bagaimana fungsinya. Yang kedua adalah tentang rumusnya serta contoh-contoh kalimatnya. Next slide. Preposition. What is preposition? Sebenarnya apa sih preposition itu? Next.
Preposition can change form and are placed in form of a noun. Prepositions serve to show the relationship with other words in the sentence. The combination or equivalent of their word in code and object.
Jadi preposition itu adalah kata depan yang tidak dapat berubah bentuk dan diletakkan di depan kata benda. Preposition berfungsi untuk memperlihatkan hubungannya dengan kata-kata lain di dalam kalimat. Gabungan atau padanan kata tersebut disebut sebagai objek. Next.
Okay. In this presentation, I want to explain about preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun, first to show time, place, movement, manner, purpose, and measure. I said before there are 6 prepositions. The first one is preposition of time. Preposition of time are prepositions used to indicate time. Second is preposition of place. Preposition of place is an English preposition used to denote a place or possession. The third is preposition of moment. Preposition of moment are prepositions used to indicate moment. Next is preposition of manner. This preposition show the relationship between the object and other words in a sentence. Now let's carry on to the next preposition. The fifth is preposition of purpose. Preposition of purpose are prepositions that show the purpose relationship between the object and other words in a sentence. The last one is preposition of quantity. This preposition indicates the quantity or size relationship between the object and other words in a sentence. Next slide. In this preposition, I will explain of the 6 existing prepositions. They are preposition of time and preposition of place. First, preposition of time. Preposition of time are prepositions used to indicate time. Example of preposition of time are after, in, at, before, by, during, for, from, of, on, over, past, since, till, to, until. Example sentence preposition of time. 1. I am looking for a place to stay for a few months. Saya sedang mencari tempat untuk tinggal selama beberapa bulan. He was born in July. Dia dilahirkan di bulan Juli. 3. You should pay your bill after finish your meal. Anda sebaiknya membayar bon pembayaran setelah menyelesaikan makan. Next slide. Second, preposition of place. Preposition of place is an English preposition used to denote a place or position. Example of proposition of place are about, against, along, alongside, amid, among, around, at, away from, behind, beside, below, beneath, between, in, inside, in front of, in the middle of, near, next to, on, outside, over, around, under, underneath. Example sense preposition of place. 1. There's a bowl of strawberries on the table. Ada semangkok strawberry di atas meja. 2. He sat next to me. Dia duduk di sebelah saya. 3. Roland's house in behind the bus station. Rumah Roland berada di belakang halte bus. Next presentation, Miss Husnul.
Okay, now we talk about prepositions of movement. Preposition of movement is prepositions to indicate the movement. Example of preposition of movements are around, yaitu mengelilingi atau di sekitar. Away from, menjauh dari. By or pass, itu untuk melewati. Down, menuruni. Inside, yang artinya punya penekanan, batas seperti wadah, tembok, dan lain-lain. Into, menuju ke dalam atau ke arah. Off, itu lepas atau terlepas atau copot. Onto, menuju atau ke atas. Out of, keluar dari sesuatu atau suatu tempat. Over, benda yang menyeberangi benda lain. To, ke, dan menuju. Toward or towards, menuju. Dan up, naik ke. Contohnya adalah 1. A stray cat keeps coming inside my house. Seekor kucing liar terus-menerus masuk ke dalam rumah saya. Number 2, we used to walk down the hill. Kami dulu biasa berjalan menuruni bukit. Dan contoh ketiga adalah he wants to travel around the world. Dia ingin berpergian mengelilingi dunia. Next slide. And for the fourth about prepositions is of manner, atau cara. Example of preposition of manner are by, in, like, on, with, and without. Example sentences preposition of manner seperti 1. We went there by plane, but we returned by train. Kami pergi ke sana menggunakan pesawat, namun kami kembali dengan kereta. Second, Carla moved to Surabaya without telling me. Carla pindah ke Surabaya tanpa mengatakan kepada saya. Dan contoh ketiga, he got the task done in a hurry. Dia mengerjakan tugas dengan sangat cepat. Next slide. Preposition of purpose atau tujuan. Example of preposition of purpose for. Dapat dicontohkan dalam kalimat, do you know how to set a table for dinner? Apakah kamu tahu bagaimana cara menyiapkan meja untuk makan malam? Yang kedua, I would like to go for a pizza. Saya ingin pergi untuk makan pizza. Yang ketiga, he bought coconut oil for massage. Dia membeli minyak kelapa untuk pijat. Next slide. We'll be continuing by my friend.
Okay, thank you, Miss Husnul. Okay.
Welcome.
Number 6, preposition of quantity or measure, yaitu kuantitas atau ukuran. Example of preposition of quantity yaitu for, by. Example sentence preposition of quantity. Number 1, I have been married for 2 years. Saya telah menikah selama 2 tahun. Number 2, they sell fabric by the yard. Mereka menjual kain per yard. Number 3, she bought her computer for $200. Dia membeli komputernya seharga $200. Next slide. Number 2, present perfect progressive. Next slide. Present perfect progressive, also found in present perfect continuous. Used when we talk about an action which started happening in the past and continue to happen until now. Jadi ini adalah ungkapan atau kalimat yang menunjukkan suatu peristiwa atau tindakan yang dimulai di masa lalu dan masih berlanjut pada masa itu. Oke, next slide. Formula present perfect progressive. 1. Verbal. Untuk positif, subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. Negatif, subject plus has or have or not plus been plus verb ing. Interrogatif, has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing. Number 2, nominal. Positif, subject plus has or have plus been plus adjective or noun or adverb. Negatif, subject plus has or have or not plus been plus adjective plus noun plus adverb. Interrogative has or have plus subject plus been plus adjective or noun or adverb. Have used to I, you, they and we, has used to she, he, single person name, it, and noun. Okay, next slide. Silakan Mr. Putra.
Okay, I will try to expand of example of sentences. We have two example of sentences that is verbal and nominal. Verbal, positif, I have been studying English. Saya telah belajar bahasa Inggris. I have been cooking dinner. Negative, I have not been teaching English. She has not been reading book. Interrogative, have you been playing computer? Have they been traveling all of Europa? Nominal, positive, she has been a mother. He has been a teacher. And negative, she has not been a mother and he has not been a teacher. Interrogative, has she been a mother and has he been a teacher? Okay, adjective commonly used on present perfect progressive atau penggunaan kata sifat untuk menggambarkan suatu pekerjaan yang telah dimulai di masa lalu dan masih berlangsung sampai saat ini. Example of sentences. Positive. Made has been my friend since 2020. I have been working for 2 days. Negative. We have not been waiting in the museum. Diane has not been studying English for 2 years. Interrogative. Has she been cooking the meal for 30 minutes? And have you been playing football for 2 hours? And
okay, that's our presentations from group 3. We hope that you guys will understand and can be useful for all of you. That's all from us. Me, Kustul Nugrahini, and
me, Denis Diadi.
Charlie Astuti.
Titi Wijayanti.
Say thank you for all of your attention. We'll see you around. Bye.
Bye.